Dr. David Bedabaugh with Caneo Chiropractic Relief Center here. I want to talk about how to relieve yourself from a lot of toxins we collect all day from chronic, recurrent, low-level stress. What's low-level stress? Well, it can be getting a phone call from somebody who's upset as a customer or client, and you just have to take it. And it builds up. It could be dealing with homework with your child who's struggling in school. It could be being cut off on the freeway. These things happen to us every day, and they build up in our body because when we go through that fear or that concern or that stress, it releases cortisol from the adrenal glands, which then goes through a cascade of changes, such as to the liver releasing glycogen, simple sugars, and then the pancreas releasing insulin to break it down so that you can fight or flight. But there's no fight or flight. We just sit there, and it just keeps building. So going to the gym is a good way of burning off a lot of those toxins, getting rid of that stress. It also, over time, very quickly lowers our breathing to shallow breathing. Shallow breathing is very bad. It creates an acidic environment in our bloodstream as well as our nervous system. Over time, these create chronic, serious diseases that are unnecessary if we can just get rid of it. So we can't always run down to the gym and get rid of it, or we can't run out the door and scream as loud as we want and run. So what do? Well, we do a breathing technique. So you just breathe in slowly. I recommend you do it while you're seated because you might get a little lightheaded when you just fall back in the seat. But when you go ahead and you just slowly breathe in through the nose, about 5 or 6 seconds, get as much air as you can, and then exhale it through the mouth vigorously to blow out all of it over about 5 or 6 seconds. So it goes like this. And then do it 2 or 3 times twice a day. You'll feel a little bit lightheaded. You'll also feel a little goofy, so whatever you were stressed about is pretty much gone. But if you plan to do it, let's say 10 and 3, you're going to get rid of a lot of toxins. You're also going to reset your breathing immediately to a normal level, not shallow breathing. It will definitely help to keep you healthier, which is something that doesn't cost anything and takes very little time. Dr. David Bedabaugh, Caneo Chiropractic Relief Center, hoping you stay as healthy as you can. Thank you.